gentlemen, and good evening. I'm meteorologist Liam Kenny. We have an ongoing severe weather threat and also a flash flood threat. In case you don't know, we have two big weather makers that are currently affecting the whole entire eastern United States. Our first one is a massive upper level low that has been cut off from the jet stream pattern and has been basically stalled over the Gulf Coast and also over the southeast over the last couple of days. There has been numerous reports of flash flooding across the panhandle of Florida and also throughout the states of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and also the Carolinas. And then along with that, a very minor area of low pressure that is considered somewhat of a minor tropical threat that has also been drawing in moisture from the southern Atlantic. All right, taking a look at how much rain we have been experiencing over the last 24 hours, over 3 to 5 inches of rain in some portions of northern Georgia into western North Carolina, and then also down to the panhandle of Florida. A widespread area of 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 inches of rain anywhere from Alabama, Georgia, into the Carolinas, and also down to the Florida Panhandle. And the threat continues for tonight, especially along this one line we're finding a lot of severe weather. And as you can see, two severe thunderstorm warnings, one tornado warning, and then several different flash flood warnings all along this massive frontal line, this massive stationary line that really won't be moving that much. And once again, we do have one tornado warning in this. As you can see, anywhere where this red is, that is where we have that tornado warning. And taking a look at the velocity signature or where the rotation is, anywhere where that red is closest to the green, that's where we have the rotation. Once again, the green means it's going towards the radar, and the red means it's going away. So whenever we get two wind patterns blowing in opposite directions, that creates spin in the atmosphere. Therefore, you get a funnel cloud to come down, and as soon as that funnel cloud is rotating on the ground, you've got a tornado. So if you live in this tornado warning, definitely get to the lowest level of a sturdy building, most interior room. Put as many walls between you and the outdoor world as possible. I would suggest either getting into an interior closet, maybe a bathroom, or maybe even better, a basement if you have one. And this will be continuing all throughout the night tonight, especially along this line, getting into northern Georgia, the Carolinas, and then also portions of Tennessee. And then along with that, a very minor area of tropical disturbance. As you can see, there's really not much going on here, considering that this area only has a 10% chance of development. However, somewhere in this area right here, there is a very minor area of low pressure that is somewhat considered to be a very minor tropical threat. And the reason why this system will not be developing at all is because it's battling so much wind shear, especially to the northeast of the Bahamas and then also along the southeastern coast. And that only gets better as we head into Friday. It might die down a little bit as you head towards the coast of the Carolinas, but we're still dealing with a lot of wind shear, especially here across portions of the southeastern Atlantic Ocean. All right, taking a look at the big picture that's going on right now. Here's our massive upper level low, plenty of dry air coming into it from the southern and central plains. We now have a massive stationary frontal boundary that goes all the way from the eastern side of that area of low pressure all the way down throughout the southeast, and then eventually winds up into the Gulf of Mexico. Once again, a very minor area of low pressure that's in the southeastern United States that is somewhat considered a threat as far as tropical activity goes. Take a look at the visible satellite. Once again, just a lot of dry air coming in on the back of this. There's our massive area of low pressure, and then also that cold front that is also associated with a lot of wind shear. And that is what is going to be producing our severe threat as we head over tonight. All right. So where are we going to be expecting our most severe weather? Anywhere in this area right here, across portions of the Gulf Coast states, into the Tennessee River Valley, into portions of northern Georgia, northern Alabama, the Carolinas, and then eventually, as we head into tomorrow, our front shifts more towards the east, now putting the Carolinas at risk, especially for portions of the eastern Carolinas. If you live in South Carolina, if you live in Orion, Georgetown counties, right along the coastlines of South Carolina, going from Wilmington all the way down throughout Myrtle Beach, Pawleys Island, Murrells Inlet, down to Charleston and Hilton Head, and then eventually up into Wilmington, and also the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Definitely be on the lookout for a lot of rain and also some spotty showers or even thunderstorms as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning. And this will continue throughout our day tomorrow and then eventually into our day on Friday. So definitely be sure to not forget that rain jacket or that umbrella as you're heading out to work tomorrow morning, all right? Please be sure to visit my website above at www.liamsweather.org in case you want to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook at Liam Kenny. I'm on Instagram at Liam's Weather. And last but not least, I'm also on Twitter at Liam's Weather 621. And to make sure that you never miss out on any videos at all, be sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You turn on the notification bell so that way you always get notified whenever I post videos. And also be sure to click that like button if you are enjoying the content, alright? So that's going to wrap up tonight's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your Wednesday.